In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Forms anonymous. Now, I have this Google Forms, and all you need to do is click on Settings first, and then scroll down until you see Responses. Okay, click on this down arrow, and here as you can see, this option, Collect Email Addresses. Change this from either Verified Responder Input to Do Not Collect, okay? And no email addresses will now be collected. As you can see, this one is collecting email addresses. So I've changed that. And I also need you to do one other thing. Scroll down here. You see, this says require sign in. Make sure this is toggled off. Okay? If it's on like this, make sure you turn it back off, because when people go to fill in this form, it would have required them to sign in, and they would feel that it's not anonymous, even though we're not collecting their emails. So once this is done, make sure here it says all changes saved in a drive, and there you go. It is completely anonymous, really that easy and simple.